Hey friends, if you wish to fix disk management not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. It's not very difficult. Search for services in the Windows search bar and go to services. Now scroll down to the virtual disk service, right click on it and select start. Once this has been sorted out, right click on volume shadow copy and again start it. Okay. After making sure that both of these services are started, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and then select check for updates here or download and install update, whatever option you have. And the last solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.